To switch between Google Assistant and Gemini on the Xiaomi 17T, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down and enter Google right here, select all services and then scroll down until we find the search assistant and voice options. So here it is, we can click on it and then you will see Google Assistant and Gemini. Now if you want to activate Google Assistant, click on this button right here. Make sure that you have a connection, because for some reason it backed out and it said that I don't have. And now anyway, when you enter Google Assistant options, scroll down and find Digital Assistant from Google and activate Google Assistant. To switch to Gemini, you will need to enter the same settings right here and click on Gemini. It should show you this setup. Let's get started. You can read through it if you like. That is the introduction for Gemini, and you can use Gemini, and after that it will be active. If you didn't see the setup but instead you've seen the Gemini settings, you can confirm that it's active. Again, right here, just make sure that Gemini is enabled. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.